This is exciting. The Galaxy S26 Pro is coming, and it's expected to be the most affordable phone in Samsung's S26 flagship lineup, essentially replacing the S25. We have exclusive details on its design, leaks on its specs, and all the rumors about its price and release date. If you're looking for the cheapest new Samsung flagship, you need to see this. Let's dive into everything we know about the Galaxy S26 Pro right now. So, let's start with the big picture, the release date and siblings. Based on Samsung's regular cycle, we expect the Galaxy S26 Pro to launch in January next year, just like the S25 series did. It won't be alone either. It's set to launch alongside the Galaxy S26 Edge and the Galaxy S26 Ultra. Now, what about the Pro model itself? Well, we have a good idea of its design. We've seen CAD-based renders, which show that the S26 Pro will look very similar to its predecessor, but with one key change on the back. Instead of the cameras protruding directly from the body, the S26 Pro will feature a dedicated camera bump housing the 3 vertically aligned cameras and the LED flash off to the right. On the front, you'll find a flat display with a centered punch hole camera and thin uniform bezels. The physical keys remain in the same place, volume and power buttons on the right side. The overall dimensions are tipped to be about 149.3 by 71.4 by 6.96 millimeters, making it slightly taller, wider, and thinner than the S25. And it's rumored to pack a slightly larger 6.3-inch display. Moving on to specs, the big news is Samsung is tipped to go back to a dual-chip strategy. That means some markets will get the Snapdragon 8 Elite Gen 5 for Galaxy, which has reportedly been confirmed, while others could get the rumored Exynos 2600. For memory, rumors suggest a bump up to 16 GB of LPDDR5X, up from 12 GB. Storage options will start at either 128 or hopefully 256 GB, utilizing UFS 4.0 or 4.1, though it won't be expandable. As for battery and charging, there's a rumored upgrade to a 4,300 mAh unit, a nice bump over the S25's 4,000 mAh. However, the wired charging speed is tipped to remain at a relatively slow 25 watts. The good news for power users is that the phone is tipped to include internal magnets, which gives hope for QI 2.2 wireless charging, possibly up to 25 watts, or at least 15 watts QI2. Reverse wired charging is also expected, but no charger will be in the box. Finally, the cameras are a mixed bag. The main camera is tipped to get a new sensor, but without a major improvement. The telephoto camera may remain the 10-megapixel sensor from last year. The ultrawide is tipped to get an upgrade to a 50-megapixel snapper, but another rumor suggests the S25's 12-megapixel unit will be used again. We'll just have to wait and see on that one. And price? The Galaxy S25 started at $799. We hope the S26 Pro keeps that price, but with the rumored RAM and potential storage upgrades, it's also possible we'll see a small $50 to $100 price bump. So, the Galaxy S26 Pro is shaping up to be a bit of a mixed bag. You get a welcome bump in battery capacity, a performance boost, and the addition of internal magnets for better wireless charging, but the charging speed remains slow and the camera upgrades are questionable for now. Whether you should wait for this phone heavily depends on that final price tag. If Samsung can keep it at $799, it could be a winner. What are your thoughts on these early details? Let me know in the comments below. Don't forget to like this video if you found it helpful and subscribe for more exclusive tech news. We'll catch you in the next one.